Hi, it's Fiona Fernandez. Quick, I got a box. I have to do a quick unboxing. Got a meeting in a few minutes. Quick, let's have a look. One's on the end of it. This is the one I got for my free shipping day. I haven't got a lot in there, but I've got a few things. Just a few. Look, lots of there. I got some things that were on sale. This one, Lucky Clover with a punch. Isn't that cute? Look, there I am. Hi. So I bought this so I can make some special cards for a local shop that said they'd sell my cards to me. So I'm so excited about that. So that's exciting. If you want to shop with me before the end of, well, any time really, but the last chance sale is still on until the 1st of May. There's my host code. There's my information. And there's a link on the screen if you click on that. I got some more watercolor paper because I've been doing a bit more watercoloring in backgrounds and things like that. These are all Stampin Up products. Foam adhesive sheets because we all need those. I got some of the gold ribbon, love it, and some Starry Sky. Beautiful, beautiful ribbons, love them. So don't forget, the last chance sale is on, and then the new catalogue comes out soon. I got some gold foil sheets because I like using those to make some of the beautiful cards. What have we got here? I got some red and green gold foil sheets. You can't see them, can you? Let's have a quick look. Oh, I have to hurry. What time is it? We're meeting in a minute. Just thought I'd go live quickly. So these are on sale too. I think these ones were in the clearance rack. They're gorgeous. Make sure you check the website for prices and what's on sale. A lot of things are retiring, which means once the new annual catalogue comes out on the 2nd May, there won't be any more, some of them. This is brushed metallic. Again, I'll just open it quickly to show you what it looks like. Can't see from the outside. Let's have a look. What have we got? I love these. These are beautiful. Look at that. It's brushed. You see the texture in that? So the other one I had a minute ago was just a flat gold. These are a couple of different colours. So you've got a few different grades. Look at that. So it's, does it say colours on there? No, it's just this brushed. There's another one in there. Hang on. Where is it? Oh, it's over the other way. Oh, it's darker again. Look. Beautiful, beautiful things. And I love using them with those frames. The frame guides. To make it look like you've got a frame on your card. There's your card in a minute. I'll find one for you. I've got one handy. See this frame here? That little frame. If you cut that out of gold, it looks so awesome. Right, and that's it. That's what's in my box. There's another brushed one. I've got a couple of those because I've got a few projects to make for people. So there's my quick unboxing for you. There's my details, and happy Thursday night. Ciao.